Sairam Class 4, welcome to your EVS class. See, children, in the last chapter, we have learned about one outdoor game, Kabaddi or Hututu. See, so all of you have enjoyed that chapter. I'm sure that all of you must have enjoyed that chapter. In this chapter, The Valley of Flowers, we will learn about the flowers. Tell me, when I say to you the word flower, what is the first use of flower comes to your mind? Decoration used during worshipping the god, and your mother puts in hair. है ना? So there are many use of flowers. We will learn in today's video about different flowers and the use of flower. See, from the class H, I'm playing that video.
Asha, doesn't my garden look beautiful? The white lilies have finally bloomed. Did you know? Each flower has its own blooming time. Roses and hibiscuses.
So each flower has its own blooming time. What does this mean? हर फ्लावर का खिलने का समय अलग अलग होता है. कुछ फ्लावर्स, some flowers bloom during the daytime, some flowers bloom during the night time, some flowers bloom during the summertime, some during the winter time, and some during the rainy season. See,
Bloom through the year. Dahlias grow only in summer. The morning glory blooms only in the day and dies at night. These flowers live only for a day. And the Kurinji flowers, which grow in the hill stations of Tamil Nadu, bloom only once in 12 years.
so you can see that flower, Kurinji flower, which grows in Tamil Nadu, it blooms once in 12 years. How much precious it might have been. है ना?
That's amazing! How do you know so much about flowers? Amma taught me. She loves flowers. She strings together mogra flowers and wears them in her hair. My mother offers hibiscus flowers to God during evening prayers.
See, so what are the other uses of flowers? We will learn now.
But these are not the only ways flowers are used. Click each tab to learn more about the different uses of flowers.
So one by one, we will open one tab and we will learn about the different uses of flowers. Number first is decoration. Decorate करना है ना, सजाना.
Roses, marigolds, orchids, and dahlias are used as decoration during weddings and funerals. They are also used to make flower strings, garlands, bouquets, and flower rangolis.
So rose, marigold, orchid and dahlia, they use for decoration. Worship करना है ना, पूजा करना.
Rose, lotus, and hibiscus are used as symbols of devotion during worship.
The rose, lotus and hibiscus are used for worshipping the god. Food. Flowers are used in food also.
A few flowers are also edible. and are used to make salads, pakoras, and soups.
Cauliflower, daisy, butterfly weed. These flowers are used to make these flowers are used in food also. These are edible.
The essential oils of many flowers are used to make natural perfumes.
So rose, all of you know that rose is a nice fragrance. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू देता है रोज. Lavender, rosemary, these are used for making the perfumes.
Flowers such as saffron, hollyhock, safflower, and gulmohar are natural coloring agents. The dyes obtained from flowers are used for dyeing and block printing clothes and for preparing edible coloring agents.
See, saffron, hollyhock, safflower, gulmohar. These flowers are used as a dyeing agent. Their color is used not only in the food for coloring the dishes, but it- the color or the dye obtained from them is used in dyeing the clothes also.
Some flowers, such as begonia, sunflower, and daisy, have medicinal value and are used to obtain relief from fever, cold, skin rash, and digestive problems.
So, some flowers have medicinal value also. All of you know that some flowers are used in medicine also, like sunflower, begonia, and daisy. Now, we will play a small quiz, children. Which of the following flowers gives a yellow color that is used to dye clothes? Which flower? Marigold, jasmine, lilies, kachanar. Can you guess? Kachanar. Okay, let me. No, children, it is incorrect. Marigold. See, it is correct. Marigold is used to dye the clothes in yellow color. Shanti's mother used flowers at the entrance during Odam festival. Identify the use of flowers here. So, see how much beautiful rangoli Shanti's mother has made. So what is that? Make a garland, make a rangoli, make a bouquet, make dye. What is that? Make a rangoli. All of you can see rangoli making competition also conducted in your school also. So it is correct. Make a rangoli. Name the state where banana flowers are used to prepare a vegetable dish. So bananas are grown in abundance in south side. What do you think? Which state it is? Shimla? Let me. No, Shimla is incorrect. Let me put Kerala. Kerala is correct. In which banana flowers are used to prepare a vegetable dish. Aman's relatives came to visit them in Mumbai for a weekend. His mother made pakoras with a flour for their guests. Name the flour used to make pakoras. So Amar relatives, when came to Mumbai on a weekend, her mother prepared pakoras. Which flower might have been used? Marigold, rose, sahjan, hibiscus. Which one? Just now we have learned that marigold is used for coloring, for offering to God, rose for making perfumes, for worshipping, for decorating, hibiscus for offering to God. Which one is left? Sahjan. See, drumstick it is known. Saijan is correct. Identify the flower that is offered to Goddess Kali and Lord Ganesha during religious festivals. So, which flower it is? All of you know? Hibiscus? Correct. Hibiscus is the correct answer. So, all of you have enjoyed today's quiz and today's video. So, stay safe at home and don't force your mother and father to make you visit outside. We will learn more about flowers in the coming days. So, till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you and Sairam. Join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the Shanti part. Oh, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sairam.